they don't die, because that could be bad.
Oh, I forgot. Plug. Yeah, plug.
Izzy was angry.
So hello, everybody.
Also, if you're doing audio, headphones, just so people are recording.
I will be making not turn on my.
And if you're about to record, let me know so that I can tell like everyone to quiet down so we can kind of.
You said nothing. So, wait, but what are we making? Banner thing, and then what is it? I want to know. I'm curious now.
Let me see. What's your own channel banner on Canva, and also your own profile picture if you wanted to make your own.
Like, for when? Like,
For like your own channel imaginary. We're not gonna actually post it just because there's only one account.
Wow.
We're just gonna show you how to design.
Oh my god.
That's gonna be tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll do the channel art, and then the day after that we'll do something.
What's that?
No.
Oh
We're gonna keep the audio. What we will.
Did I just skip 100 levels?
Huh?
How will we grow
How will we grow? Probably from more camps. We have 2 more YouTube camps assigned. So there'll be more videos. We'll just keep racking up views.
This is the first time you're doing.
You guys are the first ones on the channel.
Supposed to be playing.
Wait, what the first one's on?
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Okay. Good.
Can I just record random videos about like Roblox or something so at least it'll do something?
Well, yes.
The frame rate better not be
Remember-
0.1 frames.
Try to do a tutorial if you can in a video game. Let's Play is fine too. Just make sure you save time to edit and add stuff to the video.
Yeah,
And also think about music. We're going to talk about music.
music, it just goes for the whole time. Like
You
the
can-
whole
oh.
video. I've tried it before on my dad's account.
Oh,
And
I hear it.
yeah, it just goes for the whole thing.
You can drag it around and then change the length.
What?
Yeah. So, and if you guys, any of you want to add music, you just put on headphones, click the music tab.
Oh my god. Wait, but when I make a video, can I make very small thumbnails for video? Very.
Well, not now. We'll cover thumbnails on Thursday, and then we'll put thumbnails for
I
other
don't
videos.
want to wait until Thursday. It's hard to wait for 70 years. 70. It feels like 70 years.
How long is that going to take?
Yeah, my house is boring.
70.
It's actually 70.
Also, I don't know why someone would find that. I mean, it looks fun.
Also, like I said yesterday, I'm gonna set up this computer with pictures and stuff if you wanted to look up stuff to add your video.
So, non-copyright music. Don't mind about that. Epidemic sound, okay. Is epidemic free? Don't mind about the people talking. No, I don't think epidemic sound is free. Don't mind about the people talking. No. Okay, then. Don't mind about the people talking. Don't worry, guys. Oh my god. No, don't mind her. She's not the main person. No, I'm the main person. No, but it's my computer, bro. Wait, that's not your computer. It's Code Ninja's computer. No, it's not either. It's Lenovo's phone, bro. Oh my god, but Code Ninja's boss. Lenovo. You're technically I don't know, but something. How am I technically something? What? Because you are a living thing, so you are something in this world. We live in a chromatic geometric cube in the middle of the Milky Way. Oh my god, I just skipped everything. That's great. That's so great. Great news, guys. Don't mind him. I'm the main person here. You're using my computer. I'm letting you borrow it. Remember? Almost talking. I keep trying to click that remover. I'm a blue ball. Wait, why am I playing a ball game? That's because you are, but I keep skipping stages. Oh, I'm in the
Well, I
screen.
still tried it, then I tried to.
Oh my god, I'm going so addictively fast. Okay, I just jumped up.
Talking about other stuff.
Bye bye, rules.
So anyway, it was just a lot of stuff. But
Don't mind anyone. This is my
it
own.
was raining for some reason.
Why?
It was night, and then I heard it. Anyway, I don't know what it was. Also, even though I plowed through a bunch.
Don't mind anyone talking, because I'm the
Mind everyone talking.
main
I'm talking, but I'm talking. But how am I talking?
Anyway.
Talking. I'm just
Oh my God, so confusing.
But if I'm talking, am I not talking? Because I'm so. The geometric field of air
Oh god.
is not talking. So what am I talking if the geometric field of air is not? What the?
What?
How is this? Then this is on.
No,
No. Yes. What? This is on.
Someone
track.
just died
No.
dramatically.
No. I think I just broke reality.
Yeah, you broke reality.
How is
Great
this
job.
on track?
I don't know.
What? I just. Well,
Oh my god, just go to the touch me. You broke reality. Great. Now close the tab.
Why should I close the tab if the tab is already closed? Because the tab is closed. This is not a tab. Because the tab in the geometric field of the dictionary is just the name of a person.
Stop
Without
saying the
connecting it-
geometric field.
The geometric field of the geometric field is not geometric.
What? Me? Are you trying to annoy me? Ow.
The geometric field says yes.
Alright, when you do our editing, you need to look up stock images or anything.
What
that
the?
is open.
Pixabay.
I just broke reality. Hello. Oh my god, I just broke reality.
Also, if any of this
Thank you.
of the stuff that I see in the Justice League video, even if it's
Why is it
I would
still
not
fast?
be able to do it.
Okay, I'm off the mod now.
Like that. So,
Someone wants to be
yeah.
my friend.
Just everything's real.
Yeah.
Well, obviously.
Imagine they were actually saying that.
How to do anyway. Do I? I'm just sorry. I just like torturing my voice.
We.
But
How do you spell iCup?
I don't even know that one. That is the oldest trick in the book.
That is the oldest.
I'm not following. Also, that would. Why would you say that at this particular moment in time?
Because, like, bro, you know, everybody's recording right now. It was like their voice on. I know. That's why I want to make it.
Jokes are not a thing that we.
Jokes are a thing.
Jokes are.
If jokes were a thing, well, the only joke in this room is me. So I know that's a joke. That's also a joke. How many jokes are there in this room? I don't know. Like, guess
I
what?
don't know why.
Guess what? Why? The word joke could be a joke because it's not in the dictionary. Oh. Actually, it might be in the dictionary, but that was a joke. It's a joke. It's not in the dictionary. You know, I'm sorry. I just like using the word joke in sentences. You know? No, you like
You saw
using.
that. All of you people watching this video saw that. They were not.
You like using the.
What? Now they decide to joke. Was that a big spike of lag?
Nothing.
What's wrong?
No, mind about him.
It's not a coincidence. It's not.
Nothing.
It's not. This is still
Because I'm staring at you. Oh my god.
You
No,
live
you're
this
not.
far away from their place?
Transitions?
No,
It's been almost
Okay,
1
I'm
hour
feeling
because it's 51 minutes
that
now.
was better. I'm feeling totally
What's in an hour?
Wait, I swear. I told you just came out of nowhere.
Why
From that direction. It wasn't even a forward flow.
Why torture
What
it?
is happening
I'm
to
gonna
my
say the word
body?
geometric again.
It's so-
Geometric. Ha 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 ha. I said geometric.
Oh
Say
my god!
geometric.
They followed me.
Geometric.
How? Why? You're not supposed to
What
do
the
this.
word we
Okay, shit.
Touch the blue.
Just go on the
Oh my god, I touched the blue button.
Oh my gosh! We can't go this far away from.
Don't mind the people talking over there. It's all about
Don't mind me. I'm talking. I'm just talking to myself.
Yeah. You can hear that. Oh my god, I'm going so. Ow.
Why do I feel like we're doing it?
Oh my god, I'm
We're not
stuck.
doing that.
All I have to do is just get down. Dude, the people who made this game have to fix the game.
I don't know.
Because every single line you go on is just broken. Ow.
Okay, I'm gonna look for that villager out. Where'd that go?
Yeah.
Let's see if it was there before. I swear. What happened to my text?
Don't mind about the people talking.
I wouldn't see it.
Yep, don't mind me. I
Like-
exist.
Like,
I don't exist on
where was it
planet
anyway?
Earth. I exist on air.
I swear it was like in this.
I exist in Roblox.
What?
I exist on Pluto. I exist on the sun.
Something else weird might have happened. Like how that arrow just
I exist on
went
exist.
nowhere toward me. I'm not being sarcastic. Ow.
You're being sarcastic.
This is my building, not yours.
Okay, I'm dead.
Why did that? I just.
Oh my god.
I'm trying to do a list.
Oh my god, I reached
Huh?
1,000
But
points.
there wasn't even. There was an arrow there.
Now here,
Shot by a
Marble.
skeleton. There wasn't a
Marble.
skeleton there.
Marbles.
Am I going insane? Is this?
Yes, you're going insane. Great.
Stop. Stop.
You're going
Why
insane. Go
is
insane.
this happening to me? Of all people, happened to a person who's actually looking to look at some scary stuff. I'm not doing that today. And there's a random crafting table. Did I even place that there? I don't even think I put that there.
I bet you
Maybe,
did.
I don't know. Did I play in this world before? I think I did.
Yeah, you did.
I don't know if it's.
An egg.
I feel like I just forgotten this. I think I put it there, but I also don't know entirely.
Woohoo! I guess
I
I'm
need to
gonna
figure
fall
out
to
how
my
to
death.
sprint because I'm not going to be able to do any big jumps.
Oh my god, I almost
Okay,
fell off the
Mr.
map.
Super.
Woohoo! I'm gonna go into a non-existent wall.
Wow.
Don't mind the people talking.
It's not even raining. Why is there rain sound? Is that not rain sound?
I think that's just the computer.
Oh.
How?
No, it's not rain sound. Anyway, is that rain sound?
It's your
Rain
footsteps.
sound isn't even that loud anyway. I don't know why I don't think
It's your
I think
footsteps.
I'm just paranoid.
You're so paranoid. Hi,
Well, why
paranoid.
is it so loud? Okay, here's what is that's insanely creepy.
Hi, insanely creepy.
Why can't? Okay, there. That was. Wasn't that villager outpost somewhere around here? That.
I keep receiving 1,000 points while I'm not even doing anything.
Okay, well,
I'm
where's
gonna
the
go
villager
way
outpost?
back here so I
Where is
don't
it?
get my death.
Where is it? Where? It's right around here. Why is it gone now?
And
Oh,
are we playing
this is the
tic-tac-toe?
place I was before, wasn't it?
I
swear,
didn't even get to play it.
Was there like the sand is like drying something. Okay, I'm not even going to look at what it is, but
Bro, I've spent the last 20 minutes on one part. I'm just trying to insert text.
I don't even know.
Editing can take a while.
I don't even.
Make sure you use kind of some of the stuff you learned yesterday, like an even fade in to fade out. Use those.
Yeah, it's not letting me do what I'm trying to, though.
Yeah.
Shouldn't I be?
I'm trying to move this forward, but this time to try and move it to the line.
I should be.
So
Oh,
the
trying to
people
move it
talking.
forward.
Let me
You
see.
can zoom
Are
in.
they so big?
Okay.
What is happening to
Like,
me?
look, I'm trying to, like, look.
Next thing I know, my
Because
skin.
the video ends there, so you can just
Huh?
zoom in.
Huh?
By
I'm just gonna
going
type
like
in
that
fast.
with your fingers, where you spread this out like that. And it makes it closer.
Do it.
And then you can be able to grab it and move it.
See if there's anything crazy.
Thank you.
And mouse might help. I don't know if you're familiar with mouse.
What?
The trackpad works too. Whatever you're comfortable with.
Thank you. Now, everybody, say bye. Bye bye.
This is so